Hi there. My name is Michael Jones. Welcome to the next video in this series. Investor and Crypto Videos for Beginners. Today, I am going to discuss Shiba Inu coin. What is Shiba Inu coin? The Shiba Inu coin was launched in 2020. The coin is named after the dog breed and is a cryptocurrency that trades as Shib. It champions itself as the Dogecoin Killer. Trading surged recently after the coin was added to cryptocurrency trading platforms, OKEx and Binance. Chinese traders have helped propel Shib's rapid rise. Chinese-founded exchange Huobi, which is popular among Chinese traders, is handling the largest share of Shib's trading volume. Shib's 24-hour trading volume is over $8 billion. It has a market capitalization of over $11 billion according to CoinMarketCap.com, as at May 2021. Does Shiba Inu coin have any real value? For now, Shib may be a meme coin and have little to no underlying value or use cases. But, experts say that its popularity should not be ignored, since it reflects the behaviors of a new, growing class of cryptocurrency traders. Shib's future is uncertain, and experts caution that it may already be too late to get in on the action. The hype around meme coins such as Shiba is not a financial, but a social phenomenon. Who is better, Dogecoin or Shiba Inu coin? The Shib coin was created in August 2020, but little is known about its founder, who goes by the name Ryoshi. The Shib coin lived in relative obscurity from August until earlier this year, when a surge in interest for Dogecoin drove traders to find the next big thing. Ryoshi has promoted the coin's Dogecoin Killer nickname, arguing that Shib's technology is more community-driven than Dogecoin. Ryoshi claims not to hold any coins and gave 50% of the coins to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin after creating the currency. However, even with all the attention, Shib is a long way from dethroning Dogecoin, which now has a market cap of $64 billion as of May 2021. But, who knows? Anything can happen in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. For more money and crypto talks, please follow my YouTube channel.